Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Lobos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here, I am getting into the cap construction of this unit. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a frontal unit. This unit is in the color 1B/99J, and as you guys can see, it is a curly bob. Now, if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one, yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me, no. I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You don't wanna be left out. You wanna feel something real with someone who knows what you need. But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah. You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me, no. I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. I know you don't.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is there. Let me go on here and look, child, because I don't want to tell you nobody's lies. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is in the color 99J, as you guys can see. Okay, this is definitely a good 99J. I've had some people mention like lighter colored 99Js that I've worn. They're like, honey, that ain't 99J. I don't know what you think you got, but that ain't 99J. This is definitely a good deep 99J. This unit is a curly bob, like that's the texture that they have on here. It's 130% density and it is 10 inches long. Okay, so those are the specs that I have, and I was trying to see what this unit was, and it does say T1B/99J. So there are some dark roots. The roots are 1B, and the rest of it is 99J. And I was trying to see what type of frontal it is. I'm not sure if it's a 13x6 or a 13x4, but it is a frontal unit. I would say 13x4. In my opinion, I would say that this unit is a 13x4, but I like to clarify and know exactly like what the company has, and I'll say, well, it don't feel like this to me, or it do feel like this to me, but I don't have that particular information from the company. Like literally all it has on this bag is that it is 3M free part standard. Like there's nothing else. And they do have on here that the lace color is medium brown, and the cap size is an average cap size. And those are all the details and specs that I have on this particular unit. And if I'm not mistaken, it may be a newer wig for this company, or, you know, after the lace shortage, a newer wig. You know, they may have had it before, but now it's a newer wig after the shortage. I don't know, girl. All I know is the details, the specs, and stuff that I had. And as I stated, it is a curly wig. As you guys can see, honey, it's a curly like bob. And you guys know, if you watch me, your girl love a good 10 inches. When it comes to a bob, I love for my bobs to be 10 inches. 8 to 10 inches is just like my thing. So this unit is 10 inches. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any shedding or tangling. I did cut around here, you know, just so it'll fit these big yales, honey. Okay, that's how my grandparents, well, not my grandparents, my granddaddy, child, my grandma would kill me if I said yales, but he would. So I just cut around these yales right here. So there was some shedding around that general area, but as far as the wig in itself, I didn't have a whole lot of shedding with this unit, which is always a plus, girl. Okay, because ain't nobody trying to be out here shedding, and it was definitely not tangled. It's a really, really short unit. It's like that long, so if it was shedding, if it was tangling, honey, she would have went back to them. She would have went back to them because, honey, it ain't enough hair for you to be shedding. You 130% density and you shed. No. She ain't doing it. So, yeah, it's not shedding. It's not tangling. That is always a plus. Now, as far as this unit coming in small, medium, and large, I am not 100% sure. I didn't see that on there. I want to say that they only offer an average cap size. So with the average cap size, I feel like average cap size are medium, are small to medium head friendly. I feel like if you have a larger cap size, you probably can make it work unless your head is like really, really big. And I do have a relative, a cousin that has a really, really big cap size, and honey, certain wigs just don't work for her. She needs the units that are small, medium, and large. And if you're like that, then no. Okay, girl. But I do feel like this unit does definitely lean more towards small to medium head friendly. I did adjust the straps, but I didn't have to adjust them a whole lot. And because I didn't, to me, that means it's more small to medium head friendly than not. Like, that's just me speculating, child. I mean, don't come for me if I'm telling you wrong, girl, because I don't know. My head is medium head friendly, so I don't know. Okay, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Okay, so that is basically it as far as the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit. If you are interested in how I feel about it as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am definitely feeling this unit. If you guys watch me, then you know, honey, this is definitely a winter color for your girl. I love a good winter wig, honey. 99J to me is just like winter color for me. It's one of my favorite fall and winter colors, especially winter. I just love it. I feel like you can't go wrong with a good winter unit. Now, granted, this is a bob, and usually in the colder months, I prefer longer hair. But, honey, I just feel like she's a look. She's a whole entire look. She's a whole entire vibe. And because it is a bob, you can definitely, if you're not like anal like me, because your girl is anal. Okay, let's just keep it a buck. You can definitely wear this unit in the spring and summer time. I do have a unit that's this color that I do wear during the spring and summer months, just because I love the unit. Typically, I don't like darker colors, no reds and none of that during the spring and summer. But some units, honey, they just do it for me, girl. Okay, and I have no choice. I have no choice but to wear them during the spring and summer months, even though they're not my spring and summer colors. Okay, girl. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig. I love the curls. I love how easy it was to style. It did not take a whole lot for me to style this wig. I literally only applied water and my Cantu curling mousse. Like, I literally applied nothing else to this unit to just like achieve this look, and I scrunched it up, and I used this diffuser that I actually got in a box of charm. Okay, people always ask me about this little cute dryer, and it's a travel dryer, but it came in box of charm, honey. It wasn't nothing that I bought, so I can't recommend you guys buy it, but it's by Pretty Young Thing or something like that. But yeah, I used that and scrunched my hair up a little bit, and I got the look that I was going for. Now, I do also want to mention with this wig is that, child, some of this red dye was on my lace, girl. But apparently it was an easy fix. I was a little worried, like, initially, and I was like, Lord, I'm gonna have to take off this wig, contact the company, tell them and like, that's something that you need to fix. But I was definitely able to just get rid of it. Like, literally all I did was apply my foundation and press powder underneath it, and then put a little bit up here. And I also used some alcohol, just kind of see if it would come off, and it did. It would come off, like off the lace. So I was wondering about that, but I did want to throw it out there so you guys would know. Like, I don't want you to be unaware of anything that I am aware of, okay? Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, girl. I'm gonna tell you like it is, honey, okay? Despite this being my job, I still want to always tell you guys the honest to God truth, and that was that. But as you guys can see, it looks good now. That was just like my bump in the road, but initially I was like, oh my God. Because I've dyed lace before, but I've dyed it black. And honey, that ain't come out. That did not come out. I literally sold that wig and had to put in the description box when I was selling it, dyed the lace, watch the video. Because I could not get it out. But this did come out. So I guess it's just like more of a staining process with this color. And if I'm not mistaken, I've had that with a few of my 99J units. So maybe it's just a thing with this red. I don't know. So yeah, I did want to throw that out there so you guys can know. But as you guys can see, like I said, it is fixable. So yeah, that's basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now we can get into this 436 so we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So if you are feeling this unit, let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Eayon Hair, for sending me this unit. I really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm helping Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.